Moringa powder is made from the leaves of the moringa tree, or miracle tree as it's known in Africa. It has a number of science-backed benefits and medicinal uses. This superfood has been used as a traditional remedy in healing for thousands of years. Here are the 8 best health benefits of moringa powder. 1. Nutritious. This supergreen is more nutritious than kale and provides powerful anti-inflammatory benefits that rival those of turmeric. A single serving of moringa leaf powder has the nutritional equivalent of 2 servings of kale greens. 2. This superfood is an easy solution for iron deficiency anemia. 1 tablespoon of moringa leaf powder provides an excellent source of iron. Moringa also has 7 times the amount of iron as spinach. 3. Moringa may help prevent and manage diabetes. Multiple studies suggest that moringa leaf powder can help to significantly reduce blood glucose levels, cholesterol, and increase glucose tolerance. 4. It's a source of plant-based protein. Whether you're a vegetarian or just trying to cut down on meat, it's not always easy finding convenient plant-based protein. Powders made from its crushed leaves are packed with protein, 3 grams of protein per tablespoon. In fact, it contains all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair, energy production, and mood regulation. 5. Heart health. Many people refer to moringa as the miracle tree. This is because of its nutrient density and medicinal properties. Moringa is rich in antioxidants that fight against oxygen-free radicals, which can contribute to cholesterol buildup and inflammation. Studies also suggest that moringa may help reduce the number of free radicals, improve the function of the heart, and prevent cell damage along blood vessel walls. 6. Gut health. Moringa contains nutrients, fiber, and phytochemicals that have been shown to promote gut health by stimulating the growth of beneficial bacteria and suppressing that of pathogenic bacteria. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation of the gut wall, thus improving the wall's ability to inhibit the passage of toxins into the bloodstream. 7. It can help your love life. Stress can lower your mood. It can throw hormone levels off, spiking cortisol and decreasing dopamine to lower libido. In animal studies, moringa has not only been shown to bring down cortisol levels, but it may also naturally boost testosterone levels. 8. Lactation Enhancer. Moringa can help new moms with nursing by increasing the quantity of their breast milk. In a 2003 study, the amount of breast milk produced by lactating mothers who were given moringa every day showed a significant increase in breast milk in comparison to lactating mothers who were given a placebo. Moringa can also help make breast milk more nutritious. Hopefully now you can understand from all these benefits why moringa is called the miracle tree, or tree of life, and why you should be drinking moringa every day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 13 powerful health and beauty benefits of moringa powder. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.